Welcome, today I'll show you how to activate Quick Launch into a Nokia X20. Firstly, open your settings, this one, then scroll down and find System option. In this menu choose Gangsters, and here first option in the list will be Quickly Open Camera. Tap it, and for activate, click here on the switcher. This position of switcher, like blue or green, it's activate quickly open camera option. Maybe let's try. Double press our power key. One more time. And how you can see, camera is open. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.